16th March 2021. This is a small video on how we are fixing the takeoff connectors. Okay, great, start. So with the help of a small drill bit in the 1.5 feet pipe, we are doing a small hole. That's it. And then we're fixing a rubber. It's called grommet. In that we just fix the takeoff tap. It's a very simple process, and on each of the tap we can fix our drip tape. So we fix the drip tape and then use this locking mechanism to lock it, and that should be it. This was a short video. Maybe once we are done with all of this, we'll have a different detailed video on the drip irrigation. Bye.